It all started when my cat, Luna, brought me a dead bird one morning. I thought it was just her hunting instincts, but the next day, the bird was gone, only to reappear on my windowsill, alive and staring at me with unnerving intensity. "The darkness is coming," it whispered before flying off. I tried to shake off the experience, but night after night, Luna brought more birds, each one resurrecting to warn me with increasingly desperate cries. My once peaceful home turned into a macabre aviary of prophecies. One evening, as I bolted the windows, a thunderous knock echoed through the house. I opened the door to find a man with hollow eyes and a sinister grin. "They've chosen you," he said, stepping inside without invitation. The birds inside began to screech, their voices melding into a cacophony of terror. The man leaned in close, his breath cold against my ear. "You can't escape the darkness.